Sure. So there are, I think, two main areas where we have already got a lot of industrial interests. So one of them is in the field of spectroscopy. So in particular, there has been a lot of companies interested in industrial process monitoring and, say, food quality monitoring. That's one example I give. So the other application we are looking at right now is in-line process monitoring for the pharmaceutical industry. So again, nowadays, pharmaceutical industry are moving towards a manufacturing process that use flow chemistry instead of trying to put all the ingredients in one big reactor and get in so-called batch process. But the challenge there for this kind of continuous flow chemistry is that you want a sensor that allows you to give the chemical composition and the reaction kinetics in real time. And it also has to be small enough to be compatible with standard flow chemistry containers, and also they have to be sensitive enough to pick out different kinds of impurities. So again, that's something my group is working on, using this kind of micro-scale spectroscopic tools that can be integrated with standard manufacturing systems to provide real-time chemical information. So the other big area of interest is in the application of meta-surface optics. So we have received interest in the defense sector for, again, wide field imaging, from interest in consumer electronics. There are people trying to develop, for example, 3D sensors with a very wide field of view, and that's very challenging using conventional optics. So again, our technology immediately addressed the need by providing something very small, at the same time also very high performance. Yeah, I think what I really like about MIT is that it's a very interdisciplinary, collaborative environment. So lots of my research is right at the cross-section of many different subjects, right? For example, we do optics, we need novel optical materials. We also work on machine learning, where we need people that are familiar with algorithms. So MIT is uniquely poised for this kind of cross-cutting research because we can always find subject experts on campus in any of the areas we're exploring here. The other thing I really like about MIT is that MIT has very strong industrial connections. So anything we do in the lab, they usually quickly get attention from industry, and there are people coming in looking into transforming laboratory curiosity into something that can actually be applied to make a real impact.